So we've just arrived at the Cocoon, which is a restaurant just at the top of the hill. Have a look at that. Let's see what it's like inside. Check out the view from where you're sitting. I think we live literally just over there. You can even see the airport. I doubt it's going to be picked up. It's that bit of green there. Sad thing is, there's no one else here.
Still no friends.
No, still haven't been able to make any friends. We're going to get a nice sunset out of that window. We're going to flip a coin for Daisy to decide whether to have pesto pasta or a carbonara. What do you want it to be?
Carbonara, I don't eat meat.
Yeah, but it's a prawn carbonara, it's the same thing.
It's a marinara. There, that's how you spell carbonara.
It's a prawn pasta. What do you want it to be? Heads is prawns, tails is pesto. Heads, you're going with the prawns.
There we go.
You want the pesto though, don't you?
No.
Look at your cocktail.
It says fall in love with the process of becoming the very best version of yourself.
That's cute, isn't it? I've got a espresso martini. Gary and Tanya would be proud. I didn't dribble it. Let's go have a look at the view at this side. Come on, Daisy's getting too scared to go on the hammock now. You gonna go? Go on, have a go. You're gonna go check out the hammock. Don't get scared. Daisy's debating whether she can swim across to that island. Doesn't look that far on here, but
we can.
The whole place here has like panoramic views the whole way around. That side we might be able to catch the sunset. Well, thanks for watching. I have to use my torch because it's too dark out here. But if you're in Koh Samui or you're planning to come to Koh Samui, it's definitely worth coming to Cocoon. Good food, good view, and then you also get your own little dog. Check out the moon.